Module 1. Kazakhstan in the world of sport.
Look and listen.
Play board games. Juggle. Do a jigsaw puzzle. Play video games. Go bowling. Play chess.
Look and listen.
What does Bob sometimes do?
He sometimes juggles.
Now you answer.
What does Mary usually do on Saturdays?
She usually plays board games.
What does Vicky always do on Sundays?
She always plays video games.
What does Tom do every day?
He goes bowling every day.
What does Simon sometimes do?
He sometimes does a jigsaw puzzle.
What does Anne do every day?
She plays chess every day.
Look and listen.
Rowing. Archery. Fencing. Handball. Water polo. Long jump. Cycling. Gymnastics. Rugby. Figure skating.
Individual sport or team sport. Look and listen. Long jump is an individual sport.
Now you say.
Archery is an individual sport. Handball is a team sport. Cycling is an individual sport. Water polo is a team sport. Rugby is a team sport. Fencing is an individual sport.